Hello there and welcome to the GPT-3 course with Python programming language. In this particular course, we're going to be learning about OpenAI's GPT-3 API and we're going to be building advanced AI system using it with the help of Python programming language. Throughout this course, we're going to be learning how we can use this particular API to create an AGI-powered virtual assistant, and with the help of this API, we're going to be creating an advanced virtual assistant, Jarvis, which will be similar from Marvel's Iron Man movie. And with the help of GPT-3 API, we're going to be creating a real-world Jarvis AI, which will be able to answer different questions for us. It will be similar to ChatGPT, but instead of taking the commands in the form of text, it will be taking the input in the form of voice commands, and it will be similar to Alexa or Google Assistant, and it will be also replying in a speech format. So basically, we are going to be creating a voice-based assistant of ChatGPT. This comprehensive course is designed for Python developers who want to learn how to leverage the power of OpenAI's GPT-3 API to build advanced AI systems. Throughout the course, you will be building a fully functional AI assistant that can perform various tasks such as answering questions, generating text, and even engaging in conversation with you. Throughout the course, we are going to be doing an hands-on experience that will help you to understand the concept and techniques covered in each section. By the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding of GPT-3 and its capabilities, and you will be able to build your own AI application using Python programming and the OpenAI's API. Whether you are a beginner or experienced developer, this course will provide you with the skills and the knowledge you need to become an expert in building AI systems with GPT-3 and Python programming language. So what are you waiting for? Click on that enroll button and get started now. I'm waiting for you inside the course.